Yeah, good evening, everyone. We want to look at tonight the NVIT Applied AI and ML program. It's for business solutions and application. So it's your job ready AI career accelerator. Basically, it's a program we run here in Texas. You don't require coding to run this program, and if you know Texas or the US is the AI center. I mean the AI, the center for of the AI revolution from Texas to from Dallas to Houston to Austin. You see a lot of things changing, right? So companies are actually racing to hire professionals who can apply AI to real business challenges. And this program is actually your direct path to into the high demand roles, even if you are just starting with no coding or technical background. And within 28 weeks, we are able to guide you to practically gain AI and ML expertise, hands-on projects, and global expected certification. Respected certification that you can make you job ready for the AI economy. So, who is this program for? It is for people that beginners and just college grad or university graduates who are ready to, or people that are ready to change their career. They do not have coding experience and they don't have technical experience actually, but they have industrial knowledge or kind of. And then so whether you're in finance or healthcare, energy, logistics, retail, education, real estate, wherever you find yourself, or you are an entrepreneur that want to build an AI power startups or product or integrate AI to existing business, this is a program that is very key for you. And if you want to be an AI certified job ready, have that competence to be able to that employers will look for. This is a program for you. What you will learn is that we teach you what Texas and other US employers actually hired for, which of course you're going to learn around AI strategy for business and translate the processes into return on investment driven AI solutions, right? We also take the time to teach on business analytics and visualization tools such as the Microsoft Power BI, the Tableau, the SAP Analytics, and the Copilot for Microsoft Fabrics, Copilot for Power BI, all those tools, analytics tools that are very, very important for you to learn as of today. And then we also teach as part of this program predictive modeling and forecasting, where we use the skit learn and maybe some other framework like the prophet, and then guide the beginners to make sure that they are able to model predictives and forecasting analysis, that kind of thing. And beyond that, also, we do have the natural language processing and document automations using the GPT, ChatGPT, Hugging Face, OpenAI API, and then Gemini, and all that type of thing. Also, you will learn generative AI and AI agent, where we use the LangChain and the Cry AI or the different tools that are there for you to do that. Then we have responsive AI and ethical use, where you do fair learn and limbs sharp and all that. Then around AI product development, you learn other tools that will guide you along this time. Then ML ops and cloud deployment focus basically on AWS, Azure, and the Google Cloud. And so all the we deliver step by step with mentorship and real what case studies that you are able to gain that practical knowledge to use in the industry. And then we have various capstone projects for this that you're able to do and take some industrial certifications. The capstone projects, of course, solve a real business problem, and uh, we prepare graduates with portfolio ready AI projects, right? They can talk about, they have experience, practical industry experience with. The certification you will earn for this particular program here in NVIT, you will receive the NVIT certificate of completion, and you have voucher to take up to four global recognized professional certification from the list below. In fact, once you are trained, you are ready for AI data and cloud roles. You could do the Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental, Microsoft Azure Data Science Associate, or AWS Machine Learning Specialist level, and then the Google Professional Machine Learning Engineering. Or we have couple of one IBM AI Engineering Professional, NVIDIA transformer-based NLP, all that, Microsoft Power BI, data analysis, share tablets, all this. So you are able to, based on the guidance of your instructor, you are able to take any of this. So with this unique blend of cloud, AI, power, business intelligence, data, and governance certificate, you will stand out as a multi-skilled professional ready for roles in leading corporations, either in Texas here or around the world or in the US. The program is actually 28 weeks program. We run the program both virtual, live virtual instructor led completely, and then we also have on site for people that are close to our campus here in Texas. And the program, we run it from Monday to Wednesday, 3 hours each day. And then you either go from Monday to Wednesday, or you are going for Thursday to Saturday. For each of these sessions, we have the morning session, we have the afternoon session, and the evening session. And it's so weekly, you contribute both the teaching side, life instructor and instructions, and part of what you do. You need to contribute up to 12 to 24 personal time to be able to learn. And the investment into this program is just uh, 12,000, 12,340 9,000, I mean $12,349 only. If you are a resident of Texas, and you may be qualified for what we call the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity at any city at all that you are based in Texas, you could be qualified for that. So, and then this the course actually include registration, background checks, and the four global examination you got to take, right? So it's a wonderful course, and we really make sure that after this program you're able to do so. We also have various way of paying. You could also pay month by month base, that kind of thing. You just need to contact our admission enrollment team. And so the program outcome is that by graduation, we expect students to be able to scope, design, and lead AI and MS solution for real business challenges, and then build predictive modeling or models, recommendation systems, and generative power flow workflow, right? Either for businesses in the various sector, then deploying those native AI applications on either the AWS, Azure, or GCP. In other words, you are able to get very hands-on experience using tool like the frameworks, or managing area like the Azure Foundry, where you have foundational models and various models and tools for you to quickly jumpstart a business use case on AI deployment, or having to plug into different type of AI tools, or you are able to use the GCP Veritas, where you can either fine tune or use foundation model to be able to build something or jumpstart something. The same thing maybe like the AWS SageMaker or even the Bedrock to build a real live project. So that is what we do. Then again, applying responsible AI and explainable AI in enterprise setting, right? So and then once you are done with all this, with this experience, we believe, and with what we see in the market, that you'll be ready to quickly jumpstart a job and be able to do it. And of course, the various roles we've seen graduates play in this, either become an AI business analyst, AI consultants, business intelligence consultants, AI product manager, and all that. And we have a lot of opportunity around this side, either in Dallas, in Houston, in Austin area. You do have a lot of that. And across the US, by the way, we see company hiring here and there, especially now that people outside the US cannot just come in to compete in terms of job role because of the government policy around either HB1 visas. We see that companies are really hiring for people with subject matter expert around AI, and that either they are citizens or they are permanent residents. So we do advise you to quickly cling to the system. So if you wherever you are in the US with the system, the training is actually remote. You can be part of it. In fact, anywhere you are in the world, that means you can also, I think, take opportunity of what we do. And then for people around, it's also an in-person. So we've seen opportunity either in data, big business intelligence department, be it in healthcare, be it in finance, logistics, and energy. And then we also seen startups that are trying to build some innovative product as well, or AI consulting firm are actually hiring people with this skill. So industry specific team like in real estate, in agriculture, public safety, and all that, they are really, really hiring. We see also that the AI ecosystem you will be mastering as a result of this program. You won't just learn concept, you will become very fluent in AI tools powering today businesses. That means we're able to tell you about the foundational models and the large language models out there, be it ChatGPT, be it the cloud, be it the Gemini, the Llama, the Corel, and then Mistral, whatever that is there, when you need to use it, where you need to use, because this program is actually focused on AI and ML for business solutions and IT applications. So we guide you when to identify what and when to use them. So when, how, and when to use is very important, especially when you're dealing with this type of stuff. You also learn what we call the AI agents and orchestration. So used to learning tools like LangChain, the Crow AI, Veritas AI, Copilot Studio to be able to come up with something, a workflow, a business case, and solving real business case using these tools. These are the things you will learn. Then around speech and language AI, you teach stuff like Whisper, Whisper, event, event, event labs, or the deep ground, Azure, STTS, and all that. You're able to learn all those tools. Then around vision, image, and video AI, a lot of tools that are out there that you will learn at the course of this program. Again, at the end of the program, you are equipped to be able to engineer or try to solve problem in real time as applied to business cases. And that is what we teach here. And so we're either in music or audio AI, you are able to learn a couple of that. Then developers copilot like the GitHub copilot, and different type of team, maybe the Tab 9 and all those type of team. Then in terms of the productive and collaborative AI, there are stuffs like the Microsoft 365 Copilot that is very, very important, that in fact Microsoft have embedded into couples, and the whole of the Microsoft stack, product stack, actually carry this Copilot right now. So knowing how to use it is very important, and those are the things that we. And then of course, we also have what we call the Google Workspace, Gemini, Notion AI, and all those type of productivity and corporate collaborative type of AI tool. They are very important to know. And then when we talk about data, and then business intelligence and retriever augmented generation, or what we call the rack system, we also teach you uh, Power BI copilots, right? So where you have Power BI, Microsoft have integrated the traditional Power BI to the traditional copilot to the traditional Power BI, and as a result, you knowing how to use it, what to do, is very important as well. And then the Tableau Pulse, which is also their version. We have the Pincons and a lot of data visualization tools and all that, you know. And those are the lot of things that you learn. Then around the ML ops and the cloud platforms, we have the ML Flow, the SageMaker, Azure ML, Veritas SI, AI. Those are very, very important. In fact, all the tools here, which we call the AI ecosystem, you got to master during this at the course of this program is very important. So wherever you are, you can just quickly go to www.nvit.tech and then slash courses. You'll be able to see, or you go to the program, the training program, and then look for this course that we're talking about. It's called Applied AI and ML for Business Solutions and Neat Applications. And we see that anyone can actually be part of it. You don't need to learn how to code. It's not something that you need to code to be able to do. It's open, and it's very, very important. And then again, you also learn tools that support responsible AI and safety tools that are there. You will see a lot of that you're going to learn. Then, in terms of industry specific AI solutions, like so, not as the nuance does a lot of things, Jasper, Shopify, stuff that are very, very key in the industry right now. And emerging AI tools like Jericho AI for cloud cost automatizations, diving for coding, and those things are part of the tools. So you'll be familiar with all the tools. Why this program matters is this is not just a training, it's a career accelerator. And so we graduate will have have built real world AI project and have this in their portfolio. And again, have multiple uh, certification from either Microsoft, AWS, Google, IBM, NVIDIA, and those great companies that are out there. That once you have those certification in this lane, of course, it validates the kind of trust for that somebody who want to hire you will try to, okay, these guys have been validated with their skill. And not only that, we providing fluency in terms of enterprise-ready AI tool, especially company in Texas here or the whole of the US or around the world that are deploying artificial intelligence, try to model data or try to mine data in the AI era are really, really doing that stuff. And so by the end, you won't just have learned AI, you will be able to deploy, manage, and scale it, and then even lead with it. And so in 28 weeks, you will transform into an AI certified job ready professional to deliver innovative innovations across Texas, if you are in Texas, or around the world, or even wherever you are. So this is where ambition meets AI opportunity. The future of work is here in AI era, and you need to step in. So again, the program is a 28 week program. It's called uh, Applied AI and ML for Business Solutions and Application. It does not require you to learn how to code, right? They are basic, and it's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful program. So we urge you to go to our website and then see what we're actually doing there to begin to give. Once again, I really appreciate you for joining us tonight, wherever you're connected from, and quickly head to the website, or you can send us email as info@nvit.tech. We'll be able to reply you right away. And if you are a resident of Texas here in the US, we have the WIOA programs, and then you can check if you are eligible for it. In fact, the payment, of course, can be covered as well. Have a very good evening,